Welcome to the channel. Let's create snowfall effect. Create a solid black color layer. Go to Filter Noise, Add Noise, click on Rasterize Amount 50, click on Gaussian and tick on Monochromatic and click OK. Go to Filter, Blur, Gaussian Blur, Radius 2 and click OK. Go to Image Adjustment and Levels, Input levels around 73 and 80, click OK. Go to Blending Mode and Screen. Rename the layer Snowfall. Duplicate the snowfall layer 3 times and rename the layers. Select the Snowfall 1 layer and press Ctrl-T to activate the transform and go to Horizontal Scale. Add 200 and Rotation 5. Select the Snowfall 2 layer and press Ctrl-T to activate the transform and go to Horizontal Scale. Add 400. Select the Snowfall 3 layer and press Ctrl-T to activate the transform and go to Horizontal Scale. Add 600, Rotation 10. Select the all snowfall layers and press Ctrl-G to group them all. While selecting the group layer, click on Layer Mask icon and go to Brush and remove extra snow from the face like this. Now you have a snowfall effect ready. Thanks for watching. See you soon.